Hey, what's up, everybody? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, guys, hope you're feeling good today. Guys, once again, I'm talking about the Chainlink price prediction, and I'm also talking about the Chainlink technical analysis. What will be the future price? What's the reason behind the falls of the Chainlink? So, guys, before starting this video, I request everybody to please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos, guys. If you subscribe my channel, so in the future you will never miss any update about the crypto market. So guys, the latest price of the Chainlink in the market is 26.43 USD dollar. 26.43 USD dollar is the latest price of the Chainlink in the market. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes, so guys, from yesterday the changes is going negative, and the last 1 hour changes is positive. Last 1 week changes is also positive. Let me show you the price chart of the Chainlink for better understanding, guys. You can see here, guys, if you look the price changes of the Chainlink, so the changes is going wrong. You can see here because the changes is a negative 8.37%. 8.37% the price changes is negative, so that's why I'm telling you that the changes is going wrong, guys. But guys, if other side, if you look the price chart, so you can see here, guys, from this day, that is the last 3 days price chart, it is time the price falls down. But if you look in the latest situation, you can see here, from this point the price start pumping, but gradually start pumping, guys. So you know what, guys, maybe in the upcoming few days the price falls down. We can't say about the future. Maybe in the upcoming few days the price falls down due to the last half month. You already know about that it's the last of when the people start selling. So due to this, the price of the Chainlink, any cryptocurrency's price falls down due to selling. So guys, it is the last of one, so possibilities that price more falls down in the future. But now, as you can see here from the price chart, and as I show you on the price chart, that the last 1 hour changes is positive, so possibilities that they will pump. Anyways, guys, what you think about Chainlink? What is your prediction? What is your opinion? And if you talk about the highest price of the Chainlink, so 29.07 USD dollar, 29, that is the highest price of the last 3 days. And now if you look the right now price of the Chainlink, so 26.39 USD dollar, that is the right now price. Hope you like this update video. Subscribe now for more updates videos.